No, Nindira Shah here. Today I want to make dum roti. Okay? Kashi halwa it's called as. I'm going to make it without kova or milk, anything. Just the plain, but it will taste awesome. So what you need is white pumpkin, ash gourd, kumblikai, they say bili kumblikai, yalavan in Tamil. Okay? You have to remove the skin and the center flesh, and then you have to grate it and retain the water. Please don't waste the water. Okay? And equal part of sugar I have taken. Here, equal part of sugar, then ghee. You need ghee, and then I have added few strands of saffron. Okay? And here I have kept about 4 spoons of ghee, and I want to deep fry the cashew nut. So let me fry the cashew nut and keep it. This will be very tasty. With the very minimum ingredient you can make an excellent kashi halwa without kova, without milk or without anything. I have removed the cashew nuts. 1 or 2 is there, it's okay. Now add the, careful when you are adding it, be careful. Add the gold, ash gold. Keep the flame low. This is very easy. This is the best easy method I am showing you. Just fry it for 2 minutes in ghee. Okay? Do not waste the water, because the water has all the nutrition, and trust me, ash gourd is very beneficial to health, and especially for the Karnataka weather this is very suitable, because if you drink a glass juice of 1 glass juice of this ash gourd, they say that you can certainly reduce your weight, because this will remove the unwanted water from the body. Now let the flame be high, but you need to be standing near this, not just leave it and go here and there, because the bottom may burn. Fry this for about 5 minutes. You can add 2 more big spoons of ghee. Let it get fried a bit, and then we can add sugar. Here, you have to fry the ash gourd grating in such a way in ghee that the gratings get separated from the ghee. You can see the ghee here. So that means the frying is over. Now you can add sugar. Okay. When you add kova, the taste, it is more tastier, but then you don't get kova easily. You get easily, but then you have to go out to buy. You cannot store it in the refrigerator for more than 1 or 2 days. So this is more easier and very tasty, trust me. See, this will take another 10 to 15 minutes. At the end we can add a scoop of ghee. So I'll come back to you after 10 minutes. This will be done in another few seconds. You can watch how this is reducing in the quantity. See, you can see how it's getting, the texture is getting changed here. but you should keep on stirring it. This is almost done. In another 1 or 2 minutes I'll be putting it off. See, I don't think so I need to add ghee. Okay, I have already added quite a lot, so let me put it off now. Okay, and then I'll put it in the serving bowl and show you. Okay, see, I have put off the stove. What a beautiful texture it is without adding kova. Kova is mava. Without adding mava or milk or anything. This is just simple. It took not even 20 minutes. Okay, let me put it in a bowl and show you. The kashi halwa is ready. Trust me, this will be very tasty, very easy to make with just the minimum ingredients. I request all of you to try this and give me your sincere feedback. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like and the bell button for notification. Thank you once again. This is with Vela. Bye-bye.